What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna create General Tso Chicken. For today's General Tso or Tso's chicken, we're gonna be using cauliflower florets. This was one of my favorite dishes to get from the Chinese food restaurant when I came off of work or school, guys. So today we're gonna create it a little bit more healthy using cauliflowers, guys. All right, if you like what you see, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, swing on that bell. Let's go. All right, family, so add all your florets into your buttermilk. This is just to help the cornstarch stick to the cauliflower. All right, family, make sure all the cornstarch is covered all over your cauliflower. All right, family, see how it sticks to the cauliflower when you use the buttermilk? It's very good to just do that, guys, so the cornstarch can stick. All right, family, so let's add in our florets into the oil. You want to add them and separate them far apart. The cornstarch will allow it to fry real good, guys, so we could create this General Tso's chicken. So you want to fry your cauliflower florets for about 2 minutes on both sides. Depending on how dark you want these or crispy, you leave it in for at least 1 more minute, and then you take it off and let it rest on a wire rack, family. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of sesame oil, and then we're gonna add in some of our green onions. This is so we can make the sauce, guys. It smells so good with these green onions. Then we're gonna add some ginger. We're gonna add some garlic and some chili pepper. So we're gonna be adding our soyaki sauce. Add as much as you want for your General Tso's chicken, guys. It's half a teaspoon of brown sugar, and we're gonna add these beautiful red chili peppers. All right, family, so we're gonna add in our florets to this sauce, guys. Look at how beautiful this looks. Alright, so that's it, family. So let's get our rice ready. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit on that bell. Let's go. It's finally ready, family. I made General Tso chicken out of cauliflower florets, family. This is non-GMO and soy-free. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's go. Now it's time to eat. All right, family, so let's grab this cauliflower chicken and see how this tastes. Oh, yo, this tastes just like General Tso's chicken that I used to get to a Chinese food restaurant, family. This is so simple and easy. I could taste the ginger, the chili flakes. It's amazing, and it's healthy as well as gluten-free and soy-free. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.